Today I would like to share you how to calibrate a battery on your iPhone, or you can go ahead and check the battery health. This is very useful because Apple will suggest you on how to maintain your battery life. So you can go ahead and download the app called Apple Support. It is free on the App Store. I link it in my video description. Now what you're gonna do is to open it, and then you're gonna check on your device. So this is my device, and then I can go ahead and click on more, and from more you're gonna find battery life, and then you can see battery performance, where you can click on check now, and then it will trying to check your battery health and give you suggestion on how to maintain it. So now I can click on continue. You can see I can maximize battery life by turn on auto brightness, or I can set auto lock to give a better battery life. And that's it. I hope this video will help you. Then I will see you guys in the next one.